Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Picklist. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to setup and from there, we need just to go home and we need just to search for our Picklists. So here we can just search for Picklists and basically those are the picklist value sets, and from here you can start creating your own picklist value sets that you can start adding or using in your objects. So here you can my pick, and from here you can start add all the values that you want. So I'm just going to use 1 2 3 or anything that you would like, and you can choose for example this, and let's just check this ones. So I'm just going to click on save, and now I have my pick list here. So from now you have your global value set, and now you can start adding it or using it on your own objects. So I'm just going for any objects. So let's say we go to leads, and from leads we can click on it, and then we go to field in relationship, and basically we will find some checklist or I mean picklist, for example industry, and then you will need just to click on it, and basically you can add the values as your independent picklist that you have created. So simply here we can find our industry picklist values, and basically you can just click for example on new, and from here we can find our record type, or we can simply create our new record type that will have a pick list, and you can start choosing the pick list or the global pick list that you have created. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.